Hello, my name is Brian. I am with the Pennington Consulting Group, and what I do is help entrepreneurs and small business owners like you get access to capital. I attended the boot camp and was able to complete my manuscript in 3 days. Miss Yvonne told me this initially, and I did not believe her, but I was able to complete this book that I've been trying to work on for so long in 3 days. I was also able to pre-sell more than 42 books in about a week and a half. One more additional thing that I did learn from the book is how to be able to profit from my book, which is one thing that Miss Avant pushes really hard, is how to now profit from the book. And also just the structure of writing a book. I thought it was pretty hard, but she simplified it. And I was, again, as I mentioned, I was able to get the book done within 3 days. You can definitely learn more about the book that I wrote, 3 Paths of Lending, by visiting 3pathsoflending.com. Thank you very much. You have a good one.